Looking for the ultimate outdoor cooking experience in 2026? Pellet grills offer unmatched flavor, versatility, and convenience for backyard chefs. From smart Wi-Fi-enabled models to budget-friendly options, our list of the top 5 best pellet grills in 2026 highlights the grills that deliver perfect low-and-slow smoking, searing, and all-around performance. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. What make Traeger the best pellet grill? Traeger is widely regarded as one of the best pellet grill brands because it combines advanced technology, consistent cooking performance, and unmatched versatility in outdoor cooking. One of the biggest reasons behind Traeger's reputation is its precise temperature control system. Using digital controllers and smart algorithms, Traeger grills maintain steady heat even in changing weather conditions, helping users cook food evenly and reliably every time. Another major advantage is Traeger's use of real hardwood pellets. These pellets not only fuel the grill but also create authentic wood-fired flavor, which many barbecue enthusiasts consider superior to gas or charcoal cooking. The pellet system uses an auger, ignition rod, and fan to maintain consistent smoke and heat circulation, making cooking easier and more predictable. Traeger grills are also famous for their 6-in-1 cooking versatility. Users can grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise, and barbecue on a single unit, which makes the grill function almost like an outdoor oven with smoke flavor. This multifunction ability is a major reason why many people see Traeger as a premium all-in-one cooking solution. Technology is another key factor. Many modern Traeger models include Wi-Fi connectivity, WiFi, allowing users to monitor temperature, adjust settings, and track food using a smartphone app. Additional innovations like D2 Direct Drive and TurboTemp improve heating speed and smoke consistency. Finally, Traeger is a pioneer of pellet grills, helping popularize the category since the late 1980s. Their long history, strong brand recognition, and continuous innovation help keep them at the top of many best pellet grill lists today. The Camp Chef Woodwind Wi-Fi 24 is a high-performance pellet grill designed for smart, precise, and versatile outdoor cooking. It features a Wi-Fi-enabled PID controller that automatically maintains stable cooking temperatures, allowing users to monitor and adjust settings through a smartphone app for easier and more consistent barbecue results. The grill offers a wide temperature range of about 160 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit for smoking, roasting, and grilling, while slide and grill technology allows direct flame searing up to around 650 degrees Fahrenheit for steakhouse-style results. It also includes smart smoke technology with adjustable smoke levels, giving users better control over flavor intensity. The Woodwind Wi-Fi 24 provides around 800 square inches of total cooking space and a large 22-pound pellet hopper, making it ideal for family cooking and long smoking sessions without constant refilling. Additional features like 4 stainless steel meat probes, grease management system, and the patented Ash Kick and Cleanout system make monitoring and cleaning simple and convenient. Built with stainless steel components and heavy-duty construction, the grill is designed for durability and long-term outdoor use. Overall, the Camp Chef Woodwind Wi-Fi 24 stands out because it combines smart technology, strong temperature precision, versatile cooking performance, and easy maintenance, making it one of the most popular pellet grills in its class for backyard barbecue enthusiasts. The Weber SmokeFire tips and tricks for die best Leistung, Gen 2. Der Weber SmokeFire Pellet Grill kann hervorragend Barbecue Ergebnis liefern, wenn richtig genetzt und Jetflag word. Für die best Leistung ist es wichtig, den Grill immer vollständig vorzuheizen, idealerweise etwa 10 to 15 Minuten mit geschlossenem Deckel. Dadurch stabilisieren sich Hitze und Rauch, was für Gleichmäßiges Garen sorgt und verhindert, das Lebensmittel am Rost kleben. Außerdem sollte der Deckel während des möglichst geschlossen bleiben. De Jeds offenen Hitze und Rauchentweichen last und die Temperaturstabilität beeinflusst. Eine der wichtigsten Funktionen ist der Smokeboost-Modus, der bei etwa 82 to 95 degrees Celsius extra Rauch für intensiven Geschmack erzeugt. Dieser Modus eignet sich besonders für die ersten 1 to 2 Stunden bei Brisket, Rippchen oder Pulled Pork, de Fleisch in dieser Phase am meisten Rauch aufnimmt. Für Geflügel oder Gericht, die dauerhaft hohe Temperaturen brauchen, sollte Jedik nicht genutzt werden. Für constant Leistung spielt auch die Fleisch eine große Rolle. Weber empfiehlt eine gründliche Reinigung nach etwa 20 Stunden Kochzeit oder nach rund 12 Grillvorgängen. Besonders wichtig ist das Entfernen von Asche aus dem Brenntopf und die Fettablagerungen aus dem Geraum, dies Luftstrom und Verbrennung beeinflussen können. Zusätzlich helfen Hochwertige, trocken Hartholzpellets, ein sauber Verbrennung und konstanten Rauch zu erzielen. Auch die Nutzung von Temperatursenden und der Weber Connect-App verbessert die Kontrolle, der Temperatur und Kerntemperatur des Fleisches in Echtzeit überwacht werden können. For budget-friendly performance, the Pit Boss 850 Pro Series. The Pit Boss 850 Pro Series is a versatile and budget-friendly pellet grill that delivers impressive performance for backyard barbecue enthusiasts. Designed for both beginners and experienced grillers, this model combines convenience, consistency, and versatility without breaking the bank. The 850 Pro Series features a digital control board with LED readout, allowing users to easily set temperatures between 180 degrees Fahrenheit and 500 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for low-and-slow smoking, grilling, roasting, or even baking. pitboss-grills.com. With 850 square inches of cooking space and a large pellet hopper, the Pit Boss 850 Pro Series can handle family meals or small gatherings with ease. Its all-in-one cooking design includes both indirect heat for smoking and direct flame grilling, giving you the flexibility to sear steaks, grill vegetables, or slow-smoke ribs with authentic wood-fired flavor. BarbecueGrillmasters.com. One of the highlights of the 850 Pro Series is its durable steel construction combined with porcelain-coated cooking grates, ensuring long-lasting performance and easy cleaning. The hopper and grease management systems are designed to reduce maintenance, while the fan-assisted pellet system provides even heat distribution for consistent results every cook. SmokyBarbecueGuide.com. Finally, premium models like the outdoor cooking perfected, the new Timberline. The new Timberline pellet grill redefines outdoor cooking, offering professional-level performance for backyard chefs who demand precision, versatility, and unmatched flavor. Designed for serious grillers, Timberline combines advanced technology with high-quality construction, allowing you to smoke, grill, roast, bake, braise, and barbecue all on one versatile platform. Its digital temperature control system ensures consistent heat from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to over 600 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you full control whether you're low-and-slow smoking ribs or searing steaks to perfection. One of the standout features of the Timberline is its Wi-Fi smart technology, which allows users to monitor temperatures, adjust settings, and receive alerts from a smartphone app, giving full control even when you're away from the grill. Timberline also incorporates smart smoke technology, enabling adjustable smoke levels to infuse meats and vegetables with rich, authentic wood-fired flavor. Its heavy-duty stainless steel construction ensures durability and long-term performance, while porcelain-coated grates deliver superior heat retention and easy cleaning. The grill's large cooking area and expandable design make it perfect for family gatherings or entertaining friends, while features like the pellet hopper cleanout system and grease management tray simplify maintenance. Timberline's design emphasizes efficiency, reliability, and flavor, giving both amateur and experienced grillers confidence to experiment with new recipes.